Today we have a 2010 Honda CRV LX with a 2.4 motor. The cabin filter on this needs to be replaced. We're going to show you where that's located and how to do it. So this is the Honda 2010 CRV, all-wheel drive, 2.4 motor. What usually gets neglected on this car actually has a little odor to it. What gets neglected is the cabin filter. They should be replaced every 15 to 20,000 miles, and people, for whatever reason, seem to forget they even have one. This one actually has a musty smell in it, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the cabin filter. The cabin filter happens to be over here behind the glove box, and this one is actually well thought out. So what we're going to show you here is you pop this. And first thing we're going to do, as you can see right here, it's got this arm that holds it. All you got to do is push down on this, and it'll pop off like that. And then what we're going to do, there's pins on the side of these. You just push it together, and that comes right down, just like that. Now we can get at the cabin filter. I could take the glove box out of the way, but it's really not necessary. You can get in here. All you have to do is push this tab over like that, this one, wiggle it like that, and pull it back. And you can see here, it's got the airflow down like this. So when we reinstall the cabin filter, we got to make sure it's in the right direction. And it looks like it hasn't been replaced in a long time. You can see there's a little difference, like this one's never been replaced since 2010, which is pretty disgusting. But as I mentioned, see the airflows going down like that? On the cabin filter, it'll actually have an arrow pointing down like that right there. So when we remove this one by just popping it up, you gotta make sure this one's reinstalled in the proper direction. Okay, just take that one up, just put it on the ground. That really doesn't need to be cleaned. Okay, make sure that arrow's going in the right direction and just slide it in, just like that. Ready for installation. This one's actually one of the better ones to put in like this. Just slide it in there like that until you hear it click, just like that. And all it is these tabs on both sides. There's one on each side like that. So if you just push in a little, it clips back in like that. The last thing is this little lift on the side. Glove box installed. And all you gotta do is take this, slide it underneath like that, and pull it towards you till it clips in. And that's all it takes to install a cabin filter in a 2010 Honda CRV.